let me take off this wig. This is me. This is she. Okay guys, so I'm gonna now put on the wig. I'm gonna put on my wig. This is my Tieko wig, and it is custom made to my head with my measurements. So I take it from front to back, from side to side, and then circumference. And then actually I take the back side from here to here, so that it fits very snug and tight. And it's 3 bundles and 1 closure. It's 22, so it hits me about my waist over here. You guys can't see it because the frame is cutting out, but yes. And I really like the lace closure. So this is how it is inside. This is how it's gonna look inside. Okay, so let's move on. Let me show you how I secure my lace closure. I shouldn't be showing you guys all of that, but yes, I'm gonna go in. I don't need the band because this is really tight to my head already, so I don't need the band because I made it just for my hair. Okay, so let's put it on. Oh, now before you put on the lace closure, you're gonna make sure that the hair, you're gonna make sure that the hair, the frontal is clean. And I'm gonna use the 91% alcohol and clean my front very well. And I just like to clean just the front of my hair. Try not to get the alcohol on your hair, okay? Just try. I know it's hard because it's hard for me to do it, but anyway. So I'm gonna use this for the front, to lay down my front. Very easy to do. Shouldn't be showing you guys all of that, but yes. So I'm gonna go in. I don't need the band because this is really tight to my head already, so I don't need the band because I made it just for my hair. Okay, so let's put it on. Oh, now before you put on the lace closure, you're gonna make sure that the hair, you're gonna make sure that the hair, the frontal is clean. And I'm gonna use the 91% alcohol and clean my front very well. And I just like to clean just the front of my hair. Try not to get the alcohol on your hair, okay? Just try. I know it's hard because it's hard for me to do it, but try not to, because the thing about it is that I think that alcohol kind of breaks your edges too. And then if you are going to use the Gatsby glue, which is the easiest way to do it, is actually even more difficult. It's actually more, I don't know you guys, but I think this is damaging to your hair because it's kind of like making me bald a little bit. I don't really know what all of that is about, but so I've cleaned my front. Now I'm going to use the Gatsby glue. So this is what I like to do because I don't like to put this on my hairline exactly. I don't like to do that. So I'll put it on my hand and then I lightly like drape over like this. And I put it on my hair like that. Then I'll put on my wig. Now, this part is actually very important because you need to make sure that your face is not looking very wiggish. So what I like to do is that after I've put it on like this, okay, after I've put it on like this, I like to just look at myself to make sure that I don't look like, you know, I have hair growing on my forehead. We don't need that. We really don't. So now you can just use a little bit of this one. And what you can do is to glue it right on top. I'm going to spray just a little bit on my hand here. I'm going to spray just a little bit on my hand here and then create the baby hair. I'm going to get my band and I'm going to tie it down like this. After I do that, I'm going to get my hot comb. If you don't have your hot comb, you can also use a straightener, but I'm going to use the hot comb. Today I'm going to just use a hot comb and a curling iron today. So I'm just going to use that. I'm going to bend down so that you guys can see how it looks. Make sure that it doesn't touch the lace, you guys. Don't let it touch the lace because you're going to mess it up. You're going to weaken the knots on the lace because of the heat. Brush the hair, divide it into two. Brush the hair. I don't really like to curl my hair too much, so I'm going to show you how I quickly curl my hair in 5 minutes. Everything is about quickness. So after I blow dry it and I use the hot comb to smooth the lace closure, you can either use the hot comb or the straight iron. You can now go ahead and curl the hair. You can of course curl the hair with a curling iron or a straightener. If I'm speeding, I just use a curler. But it depends actually, because sometimes it depends on outfit. Sometimes this is faster, other days the straightener is faster. You know, girls, you know how we are. So I'm just gonna curl the ends like this. Girl, I'm giving you guys. So I'm gonna give it 4 curls. So this is the last curl that I have to do right now. I'm going to bring it up and bring it down and hold it there for a little bit, and then I'm basically done. So then it drops like that, nice and beautiful. And I'm using the Shitsai Shining Hairspray. I love this stuff. Like, spray it all up in my hair. And then I use my hairspray by Mitchel, which I love. And I spray it upwards like this, tilting my head like this. It really works like that. Way better. Run your hands through. It just looks so luxurious. I'm like, I love this stuff. And then you can do the same thing over here. Comb it down, lift it up till your head. Comb down the ends with the big part of the comb. You can use like a large comb, it's fine. And then go ahead and you comb everything out so that it can just be luscious. When I quickly lay down my lace wig, it shouldn't really take too long for you to do this look. It shouldn't really take too long. And to get this hump like this, after I curl it with the wand, you know, take it up, bring it low, I then quickly go ahead and press it down like this and fold over the hair, and that gives me this look. So yeah guys, I hope that you guys love this look. I am going to be doing a lot more wig tips and tutorials and stuff like that to show you guys how to quickly and nicely wear your wigs. And also I'm going to do a series about how to take care of your natural hair. Please, thank you for all the love and the positive vibes. For all new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, and I am so excited to be back, and I'm going to show you so much of what I have learned and what I've been practicing with myself and with my clients. So I have so much knowledge to give you guys, and it's my pleasure. Tieko Beauty once again, thank you for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys, love you all. Mwah.